Hello everyone, welcome to an unpacking video. Here I'm going to unpack the shower head combo that I bought off of Amazon. It comes with manual, pretty cool looking gloves that make it easier for you to install it. A tape, that's the connector here. Sorry, I'm operating with one hand, so the camera is a bit shaky. That's the shower head itself. So I'm gonna take it out real quick. I like that it's been packed so nicely. That's the shower head, and you can see there are different modes, and it clicks every time it goes to another mode. So we're going to be testing it soon. I'm going to test it extensively, and if there's any update, I'm going to post it on my channel. So and that's the connecting rod. So overall, I think the package is complete. I'll be using it for some time and I'll let you know if it's good. But based on the other reviews, it received really good reviews, so I'm looking forward to using it. Thank you.